This is the friction factor interactive calculator, which solves for friction factors and pressure drops in pipe flow systems. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options: friction factor for laminar flow, friction factor using turbulent flow Colebrook-White, friction factor using Swamy-Jain approximation, friction factor using Holland approximation, Reynolds number from flow rate, or pressure drop from friction factor. For this demo, I'm using friction factor laminar flow. The input fields include Reynolds number Re, relative roughness ε/d, absolute roughness epsilon in millimeters, pipe diameter d in millimeters, flow velocity v in meters per second, kinematic viscosity nu in meters squared per second, flow rate q in liters per minute, friction factor f, pipe length L in meters, and fluid density ρ in kilograms per cubic meter. After clicking Calculate, the Results section displays your calculated friction factor, the flow regime classification showing whether your flow is laminar or turbulent, the calculated Reynolds number, the pressure drop across the pipe, the head loss in meters, and for iterative methods, the number of iterations required to converge on the solution. Find the link in the description below.